All right, let's talk a little bit about this workshop. Everybody freak out. What are we going to do? It's a workshop. What do I know? What am I supposed to say? How am I supposed to do this? All I'm looking for is reader response. You've already had one essay graded. You've seen the comments that I've given you on that essay. You've also had an opportunity to read this essay prompt and actually write an essay in response to that prompt. So what you're doing is considering everything that we've studied in the class so far, thinking about any of the comments that you received, thinking what you already know about this essay prompt, and providing some friendly feedback, some reader response. What did you see in their paper and how it lines up with the expectations of this class? That's it. Very low stakes. You get the opportunity to see how other people have responded to the same prompt. You get the opportunity to get some feedback, decide whether or not you want to incorporate it or not, and that's it. You're just simply telling them your thoughts on the paper. Now, try to go a little bit further. Try to give some critique. Try to give some suggestions. Try to give them something besides, hey, this is a fantastic paper. I really liked it. Thumbs up emoji. You want to give some feedback if possible. So you are going to receive points on the feedback that you give. So not only are you being graded on submitting a draft, and you're getting points per page, so you want to have a full copy, a full page, or a 5-page submission, but you also want to have two feedbacks, two responses to students. So you want to be thoughtful, you want to be nice, and you want to try to be as helpful as possible. So when you're looking at this, what are you looking at? We have the basic criteria. I went over it last week when the paper was assigned. Establishing a baseline definition of ethics. Is it substantiated with some types of resources? Is the scope of that definition tight enough that it can be covered reasonably within 5 pages? And then, as we turn our attention to a business, is the business actually kind of defined? Are there sources given with that? Are we really tightening the focus on the business that we're looking at so that it's not Nestle with all of the different products that they provide, but maybe something very specific with Nestle, with how they're dealing with water rights, right? So you want to make sure that it's specific. This is a 5-page paper. It's not a dissertation or a book. We have to narrow the focus of the scope of the ethics. We need to narrow the focus of the scope of the business, and we need to utilize resources in a meaningful way, not just dropping resources for the sake of dropping resources, but utilizing them in a way that substantiates the main points, that prop up the thesis, that execute very rhetoric, effective argumentation. So that's what we're trying to get done with this. If you have questions, please reach out. Drop by the office hour. Hopefully, we can just get a really nice workshop. That's what we're doing, workshop. So, all right, thanks a lot. Talk to you later.